The holiday season is upon us, and what better way to spread joy and excitement than by giving the gift of technology? From innovative gadgets to cutting-edge devices, this year's tech offerings promise to delight tech enthusiasts of all ages. Whether you're shopping for a friend, family member, or even yourself, here are some top tech gifts to consider for the holiday season 2023. 1. Smart Home Essentials. Transform any living space into a futuristic oasis with Smart Home Essentials. A voice-controlled smart speaker like the latest iteration of Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub can play music, answer questions, and control other smart devices around the house. Smart thermostats, doorbell cameras, and smart lighting systems add convenience and security to everyday life. 2. Next-gen gaming consoles. Gaming aficionados will rejoice with the latest gaming consoles hitting the market this year. The PlayStation 6 and Xbox Series X Pro offer stunning graphics, immersive gameplay, and a vast library of titles that cater to a wide range of interests. Enhanced performance and lightning-fast loading times make these consoles a must-have for gamers. 3. Foldable and dual-screen devices. For those who crave versatility, foldable smartphones and dual-screen devices are making waves. Brands like Samsung, Huawei, and Microsoft have pushed the boundaries of design, offering devices that transform from compact to tablet-sized screens. These gadgets offer enhanced productivity and entertainment experiences. 4. Augmented reality, AR, glasses. Step into the future with AR glasses that overlay digital information onto the real world. From navigation assistance to interactive gaming experiences, AR glasses like Apple's Eyeglass and Google's AR Spectacles offer endless possibilities for entertainment, learning, and communication. 5. Health and fitness tech. Help your loved ones stay on top of their health goals with cutting-edge health and fitness tech. Smartwatches from Apple, Fitbit, and Samsung monitor heart rate, track activity, and provide personalized insights. With features like EKG monitoring and sleep tracking, these devices offer a holistic approach to well-being. 6. Wireless charging innovations. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the latest wireless charging innovations. Wireless charging pads with multi-device support and rapid charging capabilities make staying powered up effortless. Some models even offer reverse wireless charging, allowing you to charge other devices using your smartphone. 7. High-quality noise-canceling headphones. Immerse yourself in a world of music, podcasts, and audiobooks with high-quality noise-canceling headphones. Brands like Sony, Bose, and Sennheiser continue to raise the bar, offering superior sound quality and unparalleled noise isolation for an exceptional audio experience. 8. Smart kitchen gadgets. Upgrade the culinary experience with smart kitchen gadgets. Smart ovens, Wi-Fi-enabled coffee makers, and voice-controlled sous vide devices streamline cooking processes and deliver delectable results. These gadgets make cooking fun and efficient, even for the busiest of chefs. Conclusion. This holiday season, delight your tech-savvy friends and family members with the latest and greatest tech gifts that 2023 has to offer. From smart home essentials to futuristic AR glasses, there's a tech gift for every interest and lifestyle. These cutting-edge devices not only provide entertainment and convenience but also reflect the spirit of innovation that defines our modern world. Make this holiday season unforgettable by gifting the power of technology.